Right. So, just doing a quick shoot with another shoot with Nova's lookbook. You'll see in a second. Very colourful looking. The sun is beating. The sun is beating. It's really hot. I know I said it twice, that's how hot it is. But yeah, here she is.
Hey! I almost got attacked by a lizard.
Oh, you got a thing for lizards.
It jumped off the damn thing. Did you hear me scream?
Yeah, but did it jump off?
It jumped off and it scurried in there.
Was it big?
Yes. Green lizard. No, it was a green lizard with a long tail. You can't talk. You're not scared of the baby ones.
I'm not scared of them. I just don't like them.
Whew.
I ain't scared. Right.
Oh. I'm too blind to read what that says.
There was another one and it said made you look.
Oh. Made you look.
Right.
I don't know if you can see me here.
I might need more room.
Which angle are you shooting from so I know where to stand?
I don't know, I'm just gonna...
I might stand over there then, out the sun. Ooh.
You dropped your phone.
Yeah, no. Just trying to pick it up. Ooh, right.
You look so tan.
I am.
She is tan. She's looking like a chocolate snack. All glowy.
I feel like a melted one.
The way this piece of bush keeps tickling the back of my leg.
Might be a lizard.
So, tickle, tickle.
Go, 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 go.
Like nothing. Do I see something?
It's blinding you. Ooh, okay. The color is coloring.
Nothing.
That's what I was talking to the lizard. I like them. Yeah. I'm up. I'm up there.
She likes them.
I like.
Right.
You do.
That was a little quick one. So, you know, follow her. It's on the screen now. She missed it before. Follow me. It's on the screen now. She missed it before. Hit that like button. Like, comment, share, subscribe, follow her. She knows what to do.